game because it is trollish. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to Cat Mario. We're on level 6. I didn't know there was... I think you have to complete 2 worlds to beat the game. I think you have to complete 2 worlds to beat the game. Yes. No! Why did I... 1, 2, 3. I know! 1, 2. No! 1, 2, 3. Oh no! You had to be very lucky from that. You had to jump like from near the edge. Oh my god! This is really difficult of a level. They really love to troll ya. I'm sorry. What? Aha! Nobody misses. No! With the body! So we gotta avoid the thwomp. Jump! Jump! I did not hold on it! Then how come it... So, if I didn't hold on it, then how come it just jumped high whether I liked it or not? Why do I always get the wrong timing? You have to be very careful. Oh my god. No! I did not hold on it. No! Stupid invisible block. We might. Oh, there was a checkpoint right there. I was doing pretty well too. No. We gotta beat this. We gotta beat this. No. Aha. Ha ha ha. No! There was a flag! Why do I always jump high when I don't even hold on it? I'm gonna shut up now. Shut up. Bring the whole crew of dead cats! Falling from the depths of pits! Come on! Jump! Stupid jetpack bros! They think they're so smart! When I look smart! I'm starting to hate my life every single time we play this stupid game! I'm not gonna stop until I beat it! You hear me, Cat Mario? You have to hear me! idiot! I swear to God! No! My face is starting to turn very red right now! Come on! Stop dropping me! No. I pressed it! I heckin' pressed it! What does the game understand? Why can't the game just understand? Jump! No, die! Even this part, and even this version of the game is death. Come on! Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? Oh my God! Also, sorry for the lack of videos, but oh my God! I did not hold on it! You know what? No! Now, where are we starting? Where are we starting, guys? Where are we starting? We're starting. Where are we starting, guys? There's no way. There's no way we could beat this. There's no way we could beat that level. No way. Let's just move on to level 7. Whoa! Okay, I wasn't expecting that. My gosh, I can't take any more of that level. It was even worse than World 1 Level 2 of this stupid Cat Mario game. I can't stand it. You had to be quick. You had to be very quick. You know what? This one seems impossible. We're moving on. Oh, whoops. So the game's getting a little glitchy. And not saying remixes. So we need to get to the final level. This could be the day we could beat it, guys. And I swear to God, if we don't beat it. Okay. Of course there is an invisible block there. Why wouldn't there be? Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. How did it touch me? Starting to reach for this level already! We'll do more of this next time.